everybody, so I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with part 2 of my Lush bath bombs haul video, and I am going to whiz through this as quick as I can because I have about 16 more to share with you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. So the first one, I have no idea what the price was because I actually had to message my friend Ben and ask what the name was because it's not on the website anymore for some reason. So the first one is called Geode, I believe it's called. It looks like this, and Ben has described it as it smells like a rubber shark toy I had when I was little, as weird as that sound. He told me to mention that in the video, so that is what apparently it smells like. And that is so weirdly accurate, like that's basically what this smells like. I have no idea what the price is, I don't really know what's in it either, but it smells exactly like a shark toy and I can't get that out of my head now, why? Like it's so familiar. It smells really nice. It basically looks like it's a kind of crystal sort of situation. It's got loads of little things on it that are purple. I have no idea. It's very hard without having it on my phone. But yeah, this one's really nice. And again, I really like that smell. It's very, very familiar and it's going to bother me now until I can figure out what it was. The next bath bomb is called Yuki High, I think. And this one is $5.95. That smells like Lust. So it's a very, very strong jasmine scent. If you don't like jasmine, you won't like this one, but it's really floral, and I used to hate this scent, but actually I now really like it. It's kind of like a really kind of warming, comforting smell, and I have the solid perfume of this, so I really like this one. And again, it's got these like crystal things. I think they've kind of kept that on a lot of these, but it looks really pretty. I imagine it's salt or something like that. So yeah, really love the scent of this one, and it's kind of a really nice pink kind of corally colour. Yeah. 10 out of 10 on presentation. Love that one. The next one is called Sushi, and it looks like this. This one is so cute. I absolutely love it. It's sparkly on the outside as well. And this one was £5.95. Definitely doesn't smell like sushi, which is a good thing because I think if this actually smelled like sushi, I would hate it. But that is really nice. It's got a really fresh scent to it. But yeah, I really like this one. I like the shape. It reminds me of that Granny Takes a Dip bath bomb we had years ago in terms of the shape of it. But yeah, really like that one. And for the price, I think you get a massive bath bomb. So if you wanted to cut this in half, I think you could. In terms of what's in the middle, it's kind of squishy, like I can put my nail on it and like indent it, and I don't know what that is. It's probably like cocoa butter or something, or like a bath melt maybe. But yeah, really cute, and I love the idea of this one. The next one is the Black Rose bath bomb, and I absolutely love the look of this one. Again, this one is $6.95 and smells like rose jam and rose argan and everything like that. Oh, that is so nice. I didn't expect it to smell like that. I thought it was going to smell like really like cinnamony or something. I don't know. I think it's because of the colour, but it smells like rose jam, and honestly, this looks amazing. I'm kind of concerned that my bath will just go black, but if you don't mind that too much, you'll probably really enjoy this one because it smells heavenly, and I think it's just a really nice, different kind of bath bomb. So if you don't like pink, this is a really good one. The next bath bomb is called Harajuku, and this is $5.95. This one is really pretty again. It's like blue, pink and orange swirly. This one smells really familiar. It smells like that Dirty Deed powder that we used to have. Basically smells like toy babies. I know that sounds really bizarre, but if you ever had like a baby Annabelle when you were younger, it smells like that. Mixed with like, wait, is it cinders smelling? Wait, kind of smells like cinders now. Maybe it's cinders scented. Has my wish come true? This feel like this is cinder scented. If you work at Lush, let me know if this is cinder scented, because if it's cinder scented, I want to buy 20 of them. Oh, it smells incredible. Absolutely love that. So good. The next bath bomb, again, I feel like I've bought it before because I remember talking about it, and this is the Calavera bath bomb, which is £5.95. It looks really plain, but actually has pink, orange and blue swirls around it, and this smells like Monsters Ball bath bomb, so it is Collis scented. That smells incredible. Really love that. Oh, so good. And I think it looks kind of plain and boring, but I feel like there's going to be a lot of colours going on the inside, so yeah, if you like colourful bath bombs but nothing too crazy, this is probably a really good one for you. And it smells like lime fruit pastels, which if you don't know what they are, it smells like lemon and lime and sweets all in one go, so it's so good. The next bath bomb is something which we had around Christmas, and that is the Golden Pear bath bomb. This used to take form of a soap bar, so it used to be a soap with kind of like a creamy filling thing, but now they've been into a bath bomb. Scent wise, smells exactly like the soap. It's like pear drops and fruity but not too sweet. It's really good. In terms of price, this one is $5.95 again. A lot of these are around the £6 mark, which I definitely think is a little bit pricey, especially considering they used to be about £3.95. So I feel like they've had a massive price increase recently. It could just be me, but this one is super nice. It's got a little bit of gold luster on top. Not much more I can say about it because I have spoken about it in terms of the soap before, but I do really like it, and I think it's a nice addition to the collection. Again, Again, I'm probably going to butcher this name, and that is Kitsune, which is this one. This again is $5.95, and it looks like a seashell, and I really, really like it. I'm a big Little Mermaid fan, so for me this is like a 10 out of 10 in terms of the way this looks. Scent-wise, it smells like dragon's egg. Oh, that is so good. It's very, very lemony, so it's really, really nice and fresh. I really like this one, and again, just because of how it looks, I absolutely love it, so a 10 out of 10 for me. This next bath bomb is called Fairy Trumpet, and this is yellow and pink, and in terms of the scent, it smells again really, really familiar. Like, it's fruity but almost has like an earthy scent to it. Again, this is $5.95, so it's sort of similar in terms of that sort of price range, but I really, really love this one, so definitely a 10 out of 10 in terms of scent. It just looks really cool. It's something a little bit different and a little bit quirky, so absolutely love that. The next bath bomb is in the shape of the Experimenter, and that is the Magic Bath Bomb. This one is again $5.95 and is all blue. Scent wise, it's very incensey, like it's really spicy. I don't know whether it's my kind of sort of scent, if you know what I mean, but if you like the spicy, incensey, kind of herbally, earthy scents, you'd probably really like this one. I like it, I just think it's a little bit plain. Comparing it to the Experimenter, it's kind of all one colour, but I do like it. It's something a little bit different, so yeah, if you like your earthy scents, you would probably really enjoy this one. Again, at $5.95, this Fairy Jasmine Bath Bomb, it looks like this, very plain but slightly tinged pink, and this just smells, wait, this kind of smells like watermelon again. I feel like the watermelon one has kind of touched everything, but this has a really kind of watermelon smell. It's probably just jasmine and my nose is probably broken, but it does smell like watermelon. Really light and fresh. I feel like I hope this has something on the inside, otherwise it's a little bit boring, but that's just me. I like bath bombs to be exciting and colourful and have something going on. But in terms of the scent, this smells delicious. Honestly, I'd probably eat this one. I won't, but I probably could eat it. The next one is $3.95, and that is Geophys, and I remember this one being out years ago, like years and years and years and years ago, and I never bought it, and I don't think I like the scent of this, but I am going to smell it just for this video's sake because I feel like otherwise it's pointless. No, absolutely not. That's gross. It smells like... No, I hate that. I kind of hope my mum likes it because then she can have this one, but it's really earthy and spicy and it's just not my smell at all. No, gotta put that one down. Next up, I feel like is a really good unisex bath bomb. Obviously all these bath bombs are unisex, but I feel like a lot of people look at some bath bombs and think that they're too girly or a boy couldn't have them, and it definitely occurred a lot when I worked there. This is the Pirates of the Caribbean bath bomb, and it looks like a little pirate's treasure chest and it's so cute. Scent wise, this is a little bit more spicy. This one is $5.95. It's not sweet at all, it's more herbally, but it's really, really good. Really like that one, and I think in the water this is just going to be something completely different and definitely something, like, I feel like a good gift. Do you know what I mean? Like, I think a lot of people would open this and find this one really, really cool, so definitely a 10 out of 10 for presentation and for like creativeness. Scent wise, it's not my favourite, but it's definitely something a little bit different. I don't hate it, it's definitely not as disgusting as this one, but this one is probably like a 6 out of 10. In terms of smell, but I love the idea of this one. Really, really unique and different. Next we have the Tea and Sympathy bath bomb, and again this one is $3.95, so it's a lot cheaper than a lot of the others. This one is that's a really nice scent. I feel like I've smelt that before. It's like slightly citrusy but also really subtle at the same time. It's really, really nice. I think this one makes a really nice gift, or if you again like the simple scents and nothing too colourful, anything like that, this is a really nice one to go for, and I just think it's a nice addition to the collection. It's got a little bit more kind of simplicity to it, whereas a lot of these have got a lot of glitter and a lot of colour, so if you like the more simple bath bombs, definitely go for one of these because it's actually really good. Love that. And last but not least for this video is Splash, and this one I absolutely love the colour of. In my head I feel like it's going to smell like Frozen, but I could be completely wrong, and again this one is $5.95, so let's give it a smell. I am completely wrong, but I do like that smell. That is really nice. It's like a fresh scent. I can't really describe it. It's like sweet but fresh, not like Frozen at all. It's more of like an earthy scent. That's really, really nice, and the way this looks is like a 10 out of 10 for me. I just think the design of this is so pretty, and I feel like in the water this is going to look incredible because it's got some like slight glitter on there, so I think in the water it will probably look very similar to Frozen, but it smells completely different, so definitely give this one a go if you want something a little bit different. Love that. So that is everything for part 2. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a massive thumbs up. Don't forget also to turn the notification bell on because there will be many more videos like this coming soon because this haul is absolutely massive. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.